Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. First of all, enroll the list of all apps and go to Settings. Then find and select Security and Privacy. Click on Lock Screen and here mark Fingerprints. Tap on Continue, select Next, and as you can see, before you add your fingerprint, you need to provide PIN code, password or pattern. Let me choose pattern. Tap on Continue once it's entered, then re-enter it one more time, click on Confirm. And now it's time to provide your fingerprint. As you can see, the sensor is located on your power button right here, so all you have to do is to keep tapping till it's fully added. Lift your finger up, then place it on the sensor, and then it's added. And that's it, mark done. As you can see, from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.